With an active Audi Connect Plus subscription, Apple Music content can be played using the MMI touchscreen or voice recognition in your vehicle, if available. To access it, you must be logged into your My Audi account in the vehicle. To log into your Apple Music, begin with the vehicle in park. Then from the home screen on your MMI, select Media, Source, and Streaming Services. From here, you can select Apple Music Login. Your vehicle will prompt you to activate your Apple.com account by scanning a QR code with your mobile device and entering the code displayed on your MMI. Your smartphone will ask you if you want to sign into your Apple account with your Apple ID. Select Continue, then Allow to give access to Apple Music. Once you've signed in, a notification will appear on the bottom of your MMI Media Center screen letting you know that Apple Music was successfully added, and will display your options for accessing your Apple Music. You can also use the Talk button on your steering wheel to tell your vehicle what you want to access from your Apple Music. Play Song Name, or use the Hey Audi feature to access your Apple Music with your voice only. Simply say, "Hey Audi," wait for the vehicle prompt, then give your command. For example, play Song Name. Apple Music will remain active until the My Audi account is logged out or the connection is disconnected. The Apple Music connection provides convenient access to entertainment.